Hi, Tom Walls, Carbide Processors, talking about custom saw blades. Got a call today from a customer. He had bought a melamine cutting saw blade off our website, but he wanted to use it to cut paper. He was going by the way the picture of the saw blade looked. He got it. He said the melamine cutting saw blade cut paper better than anything else he'd used, but it still didn't cut well enough. Plus, he didn't think it looked like the picture. We have a 100% satisfaction guarantee, and we refunded his money, but he still had the same problem. So tomorrow morning, a cutting tool engineer from one of our suppliers is going to call the customer and see about building him a custom blade at our expense. The second thing we're doing for him is we suggested that instead of a carbide tip saw blade, perhaps he'd like a paper tube cutting saw blade. It's tool steel. It has a lot of little fine teeth on it. They're a pretty neat looking blade, but they're specifically designed to cut paper tubes. The third thing we've suggested is that he look at a rotary knife. A rotary knife is like a saw blade, except instead of having teeth around the edge, it has a knife edge. That can also be really good on cutting things that carbide tips don't. So 30 years in the business, we have a real network of people. We've been on the high-tech side, and we know who's good, and we know who's really good at different things. Different saw shops have different specialties. So in a situation like this, where the customer has a unique situation, we can go to 2 or 3 or however many people it takes to get him something really good. So 2 things. One, if you have a unique cutting situation, a custom saw blade may be a really good solution for you. We like doing it. It makes us look like a hero for not very much money because a custom saw blade can really improve performance. The second thing is, when we make a promise, we're really serious about it. I can't take much credit for that. I'm the president, but every time something like this comes up and I stand up and make good on our promise, I feel my dad standing behind me. Bless his heart. Anyway, that's it. It's sunny and the dog and I are going to the park. So have a good evening. Bye.